Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have this something called VR Comfort Elite Strap. So you guys can see it over here. So this is technically a different version of the Elite Strap, which isn't directly by Oculus. It's different. So the box is just brown, you guys can see. So let's just open it and see what it is. So we took out the strap. So this is a strap. You guys can already see it looks different, okay? So it has that wheel thing on the back that the normal Oculus Quest 2 Elite Strap also has. We have it right here. You guys can see on the back. So this is to make it larger and smaller. But then you notice on the front here, it has something for your forehead. So this is gonna like rest on your forehead or something like that. And then instead of having the clips like this here to attach onto the headset, it comes with these sliders, so you slide it into the sides. So some differences in these is like this has a different material, and I guess you could say it's more prone to breaking because there have been cases, and ours has actually broke twice, I think. So this is our third one. This is our third one, which is a replacement from Oculus. And I think they also stopped selling it on their website because it kept on breaking, and they're gonna try and fix it somehow. So that, but this one is also, it feels a little bit more, like the quality, I guess you could say, is better. This one just feels different, like, and straps, stuff like that. So let's wear this and see how it feels, and then wear that. Also, we also have the original strap, which really isn't much of a comparison, but because that's probably better than this. This is just a strap, so a lot. So let's wear this and see. So it's easy to tie it on the back, and it like rests on your forehead easily, and so you can move anywhere. Let's just like get the controllers. Yeah, so it's like way easier to move around in this, and it's firm on, but you can't really just slide it off. You have to make it loose. So that's that. So let's put on the next one. Okay, so we got the other strap on, you guys can see. So you can also remove these foam things, but I don't see why you want to, so let's just put this on. Okay, so one thing I noticed in this is that it doesn't really rest on your forehead, it rests on the top of your forehead, and it's loose. It's not as firm on as the normal, and yeah, it's moving a little bit, but it's definitely better than the original that came with it. So this strap, it's a big improvement from the normal strap that comes with this, but I wouldn't say it's better than the normal Elite Strap, but it's in the middle for the price, so it's good for in the middle. So this is a pretty cool strap. It's gonna be used for like, it's good for like rough use and stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.